Is it almost warm yet?
You must be drinking. No, it's not warm yet.
But this drink?
Makes me feel like it's warm.
That's right.
Like
so you're going to need to make it, and it'll lift your spirits.
What the fuck is Aruba?
I don't know, like in the water somewhere?
Welcome to Cotton Man Cocktails. Dan and Derek are going to make for you what is called the Aruba Ariba.
Ariba.
I don't really know why it's called that. But it doesn't matter. This is from a...
Because Aruba's all about cocktails.
Fair?
No, it's not.
With rum.
No, it's not. This was... You're ruining it. That's not...
0 stars.
He's already like a YouTube commenter. This was submitted by Gage the Rage. Now, Gage always submits drinks that tend to be a little bit crazy, but I have yet to find one that I didn't really like. And they usually start out like, not sure. And it always works out. So I'm fine with it. The recipe
This looks
ingredients...
like it'll work out.
Yeah. An ounce of vodka, an ounce of light rum, a half ounce of banana liqueur. We're using banana rum for that. Right here. A half ounce of coconut rum. Is there enough for a half ounce in there?
Oh, there's a half ounce.
5 ounces of fruit punch. Dude, you bring fruit punch in, especially Simply Fruit Punch. I don't really know why that one's
Oh,
different.
Jesus Christ.
15% juice, real juice in there.
That's amazing.
So for this, I have chosen some Plantation 3-star, which is a little bit sweeter. Figure it fits the theme. Some Blue Cherry Bay banana rum for my banana liqueur. You can use a real banana liqueur, 99 bananas, if you want to really up your game to like fucking potency level. We're going to have a garnish of a Luxardo cherry, which I don't think Dan's used yet. He's just been eating them. For vodka, you can use, I'm using Bar Hill vodka. You can use any vodka you want because it's fucking vodka. It doesn't have any flavor anyway. And if you want to fight about that, there's a video all about brands of vodka that I did where I rant on this. So fuck off. We're using coconut rum.
So angry.
So you used the coconut rum already?
I used coconut rum. It was only a half ounce.
I just don't need any more Malibu. Whoa, tastes like suntan lotion. Gone. Not a big fan of the Malibu over some of the other ones. I don't know what we use this for.
What did you use that for?
I don't know.
You use a lot of it, though.
I know. That's why I'm confused. I feel like I would need to know. I would need to have created a cocktail with a lot of banana rum. The Plantation 3-star is really good. If it was anyone else, if you're at home, I probably wouldn't use the Plantation 3-star for this because it's harder to get for me. I would go with Bacardi, but I can't figure out where my Bacardi went. It might be back here. I don't know. So I just picked the rum that was clear.
Yeah,
dude, how did you do that? Is it
Did you see that? It's like peeing everywhere.
It was like a hole in the bottom.
Yeah, it might be some ice stuck in there or something. Backwashing it a little bit.
Dude,
that's like a that's like a Valentine's Day cocktail. Look at that thing.
See?
I can't. It's not a bunch of bottles.
You have a little. No, not in front. Right here.
Yeah, why don't you put
can
it
see
here?
it.
So then I have a thumbnail for the video.
That's because you have fruit punch in there.
Does this fit on the camera with that huge length?
Cherry in there.
Oh, garnish that up, bitches! Woo!
That's the whole reason Ian sat. Right
I know. Ian couldn't handle the garnish on this one.
Cherry,
supposedly.
Pineapple wedge would be a great garnish for this. A cherry and a pineapple wedge. I actually have pineapple wedges, but Dan's like, I don't bother. That actually is pretty more. That gives a little bit more classiness to it.
More classy.
The minute you bring more garnishes,
if we were in Aruba, the pineapple would have.
If we were in Aruba,
you'd probably have fresh pineapple.
Yeah.
Or I'd have somebody else making it for me.
Yeah. So pineapple wedge on there.
You know what though? It's not gonna taste as good as that.
That's right.
Because those people are using like generic fucking alcohol. Their fruit punch is probably all high fructose corn syrup. That's not high fructose corn syrup, is it?
Steven, let's not talk about the pouring.
Yeah.
What? Oh, the pour you did? That was pretty poor.
It's all over your mat. Yeah.
It just like peed out of the back. I don't know what happened.
I hate when I pee out the back.
Yeah.
Cane
it's
sugar.
never good.
Never.
Cane
Usually
sugar.
it's after Mexican.
Pineapple. Cherry. Cranberry juice. Lemon juice. Cherry puree. This is a good product. There's no high fructose corn syrup in this. Which I didn't think there was, but I was
That's the
skeptical.
Part.
Simple
like
simple is high fructose corn syrup. Better is real.
Tastes like a drink you should be sipping on the beach.
Blended though, I think. That would probably be a little better blended, or do you think it'll lose some of its flavor?
It might lose. Cocktail with an ice injury.
Yeah, You gotta go back and watch.
I did. So remember that when I was pouring, I might have a concussion.
Right. You have to watch the last video for where Dan.
I might have
takes one.
CTE now. Yeah, if you guys go back, shit.
He takes one to the face, pretty hard.
He always has.
And you can still see that on YouTube. So it's not what you think.
So, speaking of which, our executive producer is Lance Roulet, and the reason that matters is because I'm trying to get a 4K hot HD camera for this. Then stuff like that, I can slow-mo 120 frames per second, and we can really see the
Awesome.
like this,
The pain that came
flash.
across my face.
Or
As I
at
unexpectedly got hit.
right, or at minimum, what you'll see a lot of people do. This is a little inside baseball for you folks. 1080p video is done in a 4K resolution so that they can zoom in and not lose the resolution. So you're actually watching at 1080p, but the screen is
See?
bigger. So when you zoom in, it's still all beautiful pixels right up on your face as that ice is hitting you. Fucking awesome.
Cocktails and technology.
All happening.
New show.
Nothing to do with baseball.
Nothing to do with baseball.
Nothing to do with baseball.
Although, if you think about it, cocktails and technology, I bet you get a lot of viewers that way. Like, literally, you just talk about technology while drinking cocktails so that it just falls right off into weird,
Nerdy drinkers.
I
nerdy
can do
drinkers.
Yeah.
That'd be easy. Cocktails and
I
technology.
think we already do that.
Yeah, but we don't get nerdy enough. You'd have
That's
to
good.
really get nerdy. If you sit down and you talk about Python, like
I can't do that.
Python dictionaries while drinking,
Oof.
a little
I'm
simple.
going back to the satin sheets. Hit me in the face with a fucking ice cube.
Sounds too much like work. Not sure about this. We can bring in Ian as our resident C# expert.
Mm-hmm.
Like, hey, raise your hand if you're using a language nobody else fucking cares about.
Oh, wow.
Oh!
One of
Wow.
the top 3 languages out there.
Top
Actually
3?
going away from Java because of all its insecurities.
Oh, come on. Java's still number 1, and I don't know why.
Python's number 1.
No, I think Java's still number 1, isn't it?
Python's
But-
the fastest growing. But,
Python's
Yeah.
number 1 because anybody can do it, or anybody thinks they can do it.
He pulled this thing out where he's like, Python's the fastest growing. True, but it's not number 1.
That's right.
Java's number 1. And I saw that, I was like, that's fucking dumb. Although today I had to interview a guy in Ukraine, doesn't know Python, only Java. I was like, oh, well, you're a pass. But I gave him another 20 minutes to try and recover. Didn't work.
It didn't work. So it's a good drink.
Good drink, a lot of fruit punch flavor. It's all punchy.
A lot of coconut.
It's fruit just rammed up in your face.
Mm.
Not a lot of alcohol flavor. Like, you get a little bit of alcohol, but it's not like
No, it's
strong
just
alcohol.
coconut and fruit punch and
Yeah, this is a fruity, sit down on the pool.
yeah.
The problem is, I feel like you might fall in the pool. Like, if you have too many of these, 2 ounces of actual alcohol plus little
You
residual
don't taste any
alcohols.
alcohol in this at all.
No. So, overall, I think, but if you finish off that fruit punch,
You're fucked.
done. So you gotta be careful. Hangover drink right here.
Yeah.
But yet at the same time, it's flavorful and fun. It doesn't fit.
Like
this
if you don't want a
season.
blended drink, this is a good drink.
Blending this drink is just, I think it's gonna dilute the flavor down. And it's gonna be like
Yeah,
a
that's
watery fruit.
Yeah.
You need to keep it like with some of the alcohol body to it. Not exactly this
And it's not really,
season.
there's not like a ton of sugar.
No.
You're not
it's all
adding sugar to
sugary
it,
shit.
yeah.
But I thought we end on the college-y type fresh drink without, because some of the Fernet and like we went pretty deep into the bar.
That was a good one.
We had like
Yeah.
the Fernets and like maybe even pull out the Campari for some fucking reason.
The Campari is good. Campari and this actually might be good. We'll have to try it. I'll do it after Jen tries it.
Alright.
We'll do it off
Don't mess
show.
up the drink.
So
I think a little Campari in this.
yeah, I don't know, maybe.
I've gone like towards the bitter side.
Come back, Dan. Come back.
No, it's that freaking Division Bell. It's like a,
I'm
it's
gonna
a pretty
have to,
bitter, not super bitter, but it's more down that. Yeah.
I'm gonna have to get the guys from like Bad Lip Reading to just do a video of you talking about bitterness and overwrite it with like some cool voices and stuff. That'd be pretty
It's
cool.
good.
Unfortunately, I don't know them at all. I have no.
But
no
you'll figure
knowledge.
it out and then you'll send me a video clip of it.
If I could just start
Run,
banging
run,
on.
run. Jump.
Dude, they're
I can be
chill.
backpack while you run.
Question today, what's your favorite, other than ours, what's your favorite YouTube channel? Like, right now mine is Star Talk, but I'm kind of nerdy.
You like
Star
hot ones?
Talk.
I like
Hot Ones.
Hot Ones, Star Talk. Joe Rogan. I listen to some Joe Rogan. Like, what I have done something I've never done before this year, really just in the last couple weeks, months maybe, is just going to the front page of YouTube. It's like it always finds shit I want. Like it all like I now understand how people
that much
find
shit
us.
on YouTube.
I didn't either, and I just started clicking. I'm like, oh look, it's more Neil deGrasse Tyson. It's like, oh, you like Neil deGrasse Tyson? Here's some Bill Nye. And oh, you like that? Go over here. And then I watch like a tech video, and like, oh, you like Python? Go watch over this. So it does a pretty good job. So I get how like people don't like Jennifer doesn't subscribe to shit. Like she watches just Clash Royale videos, but like she goes to all the same people.
That's because she's semi-retired.
Yeah.
She watches
Your
the same
baby is gone.
YouTubers all the time. Doesn't subscribe to any of them. It doesn't work. So like when I look at people, like obviously our chat room subscribes. Like first off, it makes it easier to find it. But like most of our viewers aren't subscribers, and I can see like if you watch a cocktail video, they're like, watch Common Man Cocktails. And if somebody watches it and they watch 2, all of a sudden it's like it just fucking fills your stream with our shit, which is nice. So you don't have to subscribe to stuff. You just click.
Yeah.
Like I don't care if you guys subscribe or not. Just subscribe. But like
Just subscribe.
you get more.
I don't really
You get
care.
instant viewership from the subscriptions.
Yeah.
But the referrals is where it counts. So people have to watch, and you'll notice some people will talk about like you have to watch like 80% of a video for YouTube to go, oh, it was good enough to keep you that long. They'll start referring it to other people. So if people watch our videos for longer periods of time, other fans will hear about it. And
Well,
see
who wouldn't
it.
watch this to the end?
Super
You're crazy.
people. Yeah, people with extra chromosomes, stuff like that.
Ian, yeah, but Ian's special.
Ian's not even. He already unsubscribed, and he's
He
sitting
got
right
hit in the
there.
head a long time ago. That's why he's special.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Coupon codes 2020, save 20% off at awesomedrinks.com. You can get Chicago highballs when I get them back in stock. You can get other cool bitters, syrups, and other stuff you need. Especially spring coming, you're going to need some passion fruit juice. You're going to need some, I don't know, what else do we sell? Almond syrup, your orgeat,
Everything.
stuff like that. Glassware. Get your bitters all ready to go. We have Bergen Hout bitters, which I'm trying to sell off. So some of those are on sale, so you'll be able to save some money.
Get some.
Plus your coupon code. It's like fucking Christmas in January.
You
Or
love
February. March. Whatever. That's it. Sidebar, there's going to be more videos over there. Down below, the bartender starter kit from awesomedrinks.com where you can get like shaken, and you're going to get one of these, and you're going to get all the stuff.
it. You gotta have a real shaker.
Yeah. Dan knows.
Yeah.
We're teaching you how to drink.